if f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of f of x is equal to x, then what is g of x? And this problem relies on a knowledge of inverse functions. Since it's a true statement that if we plug the function f of x into its inverse function, then we would just get out the value of x. So if we find the inverse of this original function f of x, then that will be equal to g of x. And the way to find an inverse function, we can set f of x just equal to y. So y is equal to 3x plus 2. And then you can switch x and y. So x is 3y plus 2. And then just solve for y. So subtracting 2 from each side, we have x minus 2 equals 3y. And then dividing everything by 3, we have y is equal to x over 3 minus 2/3. And as I said, this is equal to the inverse of f. And we can check. If we plug in f of x here for x inside of our inverse function, then we should get back x. And if we do get back x, then we know for a fact that this inverse function is equal to g of x. So if we plug in f of x, we have f inverse of f of x, and this is equal to f inverse of 3x plus 2. So we're taking this 3x plus 2 and we're plugging it in here inside of our inverse function. So this is equal to 3x plus 2 over 3 minus 2/3. Notice they already have a common denominator, so we can just combine it into one fraction. 3x plus 2 minus 2. And the 2's will cancel out, so that we're left with 3x over 3. And the 3's cancel out, so that we're left with x. And since we got back x, we now know that the inverse function is equal to g of x. And this is all equal to this function here. X over 3 minus 2/3.